What's up guys, just recently this year we launched that Curt cushion coupler, a revolutionary coupler to be standard on all Diamond C trailers. It's super simple, sleek, it provides a little better ride, has that auto latch feature. If you haven't seen it, go check it out. For those of you that have already gotten your hands on one, we now have the S5 coupler lock that is specifically built for the Curt cushion coupler. You see how this is a two-piece lock that encompasses or surrounds the entire coupler head. Very solid and secure theft prevention. But then we also have the set bolt lock that is part of it. So you can buy the combo kit for both the coupler lock and set bolt, or one or the other. If you don't need, the set bolt, you can just get the coupler head lock. This is an S5 coupler lock. S5 is a US based business, a family-owned business. We love connecting with family-owned businesses like Diamond C to be able to provide quality products, and in this case, to secure your trailer. So to pick up a S5 coupler lock for your Curt coupler, jump on diamondcgear.com or visit your local authorized Diamond C dealer.